in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to recreate this design from the start to finish. But first of all, big shout out to the owner of this design, that's the Envo Media team. Big shout out to them, design credit to them. I really appreciate your work. Big shout out. So the reason why I'm doing this design is to show my family out there that certain manipulations are possible with a smartphone. So this is the design as usual. Let's get started. So let's import the design, the original design, so that it will be a guide to guide us on how to navigate our own or ours. So let's just centralize it. Let's hide it. Then let's change the color to white, color of the background to white. So just pay attention to this video, pay attention to the screen. Several codes will be displayed on the screen that will enable you to download the material that was used in this design. So just pay attention closely to the screen, watch this video from start to finish so that you can be able to get the code, compile them together and use them to get your resources. Are we good? Yeah. So let's see first. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do here is to first of all import the down details. You know how we do, start from the easy, then we head over to the most difficult. So this thing is called the grid line, or you can as well call it roller. It helps you to maintain one principle of graphic design, which is called the alignment. So let's import those stuff and just put it. Though I didn't take my time, so let's just import it this way, turn it to white. So let's just import it like this and drop it here. Then let's just lock it. Then let's bring in the floodgates, though I didn't actually work on that well, just to show you the main thing. So let's just bring it here and just drop it for formality purpose and floodgate. Now if you observe, this thing is not showing where. It's stressing us to look at it. So as a experienced graphic designer, what do you do at that point? Now go to your draw and your blur, take it to the last, your blur radius, your smoothness, everything, take it to the last. Then tap anywhere on the screen, then pick a color from the background that blends with the background you're working with. So let's just pick this dark navy blue color. Are you seeing? All you need to do is so just come and place it here like this and place your text on top of it. Also copy, also do same for this side. Now you've seen that we've actually gained now have you seen? Now this thing is now obvious. Now you see. So the next thing now is let's enter our text. Let's check what's the text here. The floodgates are open. Okay, so just stick with me. So just so you know, I actually did a course on the floodgate is open. Okay, let me write it first before I say what I wanted to say. The floodgates are open. So there's a course currently on Pixellab for beginners and for also advanced designer. So I will drop the link of that course in the description of this video. The course is available on Seller. You can as well write me straight in my DM if you want me to also, if you cannot pass through the process on Seller. So in that course you will learn how to enhance your image, you will learn how to design, you learn how to get materials of any design just the way you're seeing this one that I'm doing. You actually learn a lot of stuff by just getting that course, and the course is just 5,000 naira. So if you're coming from any African country, then I'll advise you get it on Seller for easy transaction sake or purpose. So all we need to do now is just to increase our fonts like this. Then go to our curve, yeah, then we'll curve it round. Try to curve it round. Are you seeing? Then we centralize it. If it's not working, then we'll try to curve it around that water region. So now what do we do at this point? Now let's check the color that was used. Okay, so we need to pick a color picker. So all we need to do is to go to our color, go to our gradients, tap on our plus sign. Are you following? Okay, so let's just tap on this place. If you've been following me for days or for months, or if you've been following videos on this channel back to back, this thing that I'm about to do will not be something new to you again. We are just trying to pick color from this background. So let's pick a color from here. Then from that same place, let's also pick a color from there. And now if you observe this color, one is lighter and one is darker, but they are same blue. It is called shade and tint. Are you seeing now? So let's make it our color the same. So we can make this one to be more, you know, give us that color the same. Okay, so now let's go. So are you now saying that we've actually gotten what we wanted? Let's try to reduce the opacity a little bit to see how it goes. Okay, only opacity, just take it to 90. Okay, now to make our text more visible, let's bolden the text. Just come here, tap on your B, you see, to get that feel. Are you seeing now? Then let's bring in Pastor P. Daniel, our man of God. So are you seeing? Pastor P. Daniel. So we'll drop in here. So let's try to centralize him. Okay, he's not at the center, but let's just keep him here like this. Then let's bring in those electrical effects that you're seeing around his hand. Let's just import it by ourselves and bring it. So you see the electrical effects. So where do we start from at this point? Where do we start from to make this thing look as if it's inside of his hand like this? Where do we start from? So this is what you do actually. So first of all, at this point you need to think critically at this point. So increase your brush like this, increase the size like this, tap on this plus sign, then zoom it. Are you seeing? Tap it back, then use the brush now to clean inside of this place so that it will be as if his hand is inside. Oh, we've actually cleaned the wrong place, so let's go back again. Let's give it a try back. So we have to clean this other side and other side. So now this is the place we'll clean. So now when we are zooming it in, it will be as if his hand is what's inside of the design. Are you seeing? Then the next thing we are going to do now is to bring in this other side again. So the next thing we are going to do now is to copy that same image or that same lightning, and also drop it on this other side of his hand. Or let's use this one actually. So this one will give us a little bit stress, but this is how we are going to achieve it. So all we need to do is also duplicate the other one, then drop it here like this as well. Drop it close to his hand like this as well. So are you seeing now? Are you seeing? Okay, let's check the original design to see what we've not done and what we've done. Okay, now if you observe on the original design, you notice that there are electrical effects, like all those electrical stuffs and the rest. So we'll just look for it to place it very well around the sweet region. Yeah, so let's just bring it down. The concept is as if it's being carried by electric, something like that. That's really the concept that the graphic designer was trying to convey in this actual design. So we'll drop it, let's place it properly as usual. Then now we'll go to color filter to work on our coloring to fit in with the color of the background. So I think this is okay. This is okay. Oluwatosin. So okay, let's give it a little lightening just to get that effect. Are you seeing? So let's try to adjust it more, so we could see that we've actually replicated that design. So guys, kindly subscribe, share this video with your friends. See you guys in my next tutorial.